Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering launcher errors or connection issues with Epic Games and Fortnite, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the solution step by step. Step 1. Close Epic Games Launcher completely by right-clicking its icon in the system tray and selecting Exit, ensuring no background processes are running. Step 2. Open Windows Run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R. Type WS reset and press Enter to reset the Windows Store cache, which can affect Epic Games services. Step 3. Navigate to your Epic Games Launcher installation folder and delete the web cache folder to clear corrupted cache data that may be causing errors. Step 4. Restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect and clear any remaining temporary files from memory. Step 5. Launch Epic Games Launcher as administrator by right-clicking the desktop shortcut and selecting Run as administrator for elevated permissions. Step 6. If issues persist, verify your firewall and antivirus are not blocking Epic Games, and add exceptions for both the launcher and Fortnite. Step 7. Check your internet connection stability and consider temporarily disabling any VPN or proxy settings that might interfere with connectivity. Step 8. As a last resort, completely uninstall and reinstall Epic Games Launcher, which will fix any deep-rooted installation problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.